Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a assemble body of this assemble parts of this body. Okay, this is a SolidWorks 2016 and this lecture is 4 and SolidWorks assemble command and how to all command is one by one is learner and how to this process is learner easily and clearly. And guys, this is a standard mat is two parts is discussed here. First is perpendicular and this is a tangent, and this is a very important lecture. This part and this assemble command is discussed here. Okay, this is a workspace, and at first going to this insert part and going to this open a browser and save here any this part, and then open this part, and this size is a increase and this is a small icon. Okay, this is a use this large icon and extra large is this. Okay, all is a perfect, and this body is a okay, and this is a perfect, and select this and select this use at first select this house and open, and anywhere is this is at first going to this coordinate system, and this is a origin. Both is connected, the both is a select here, and this part is a drag here. This part is a automatic is select here this, and okay, this is a perfect, and this use a hide, but this body is a fix here, this body is a correct. And next part is again select this and going to this use a shaft. Okay, and this is a this open here. Okay, but this relation is used here this okay, and okay, all is perfect, and this both two relation is this standard mat is relation is first is perpendicular and second is tangent is discussed here this and second at first going to this mat, and mat is used here, and mat is very important. This this three mat is important is discussed here. First is a standard mat, and second is advanced mat, and this is a mechanical mat, and this three mat is very important. Any body is assembled here. At first select this mat is a standard mat is select here. This going to this coincident and parallel and perpendicular and tangent and concentric and log, and distance is all is a perfect. But select this going to advanced mat, and going to this is a profile center and symmetric and width is very important. Lecture is discussed here, and path mat, and this is a linear and linear coupler, and going to this distance. Okay, and again select this use a mechanical mat, and going to this is a cam and slot this is a hinge and gear and rack pinion is very important, and this is a screw, and this is a universal joint, and all is a perfect. But one by one is learner, and to discuss here this is a standard mat is this okay, and at first this use a coincident and parallel. This lecture is a okay, this already is a discuss here, and to discuss here a perpendicular, and at first select this and select this okay, this use a concentric, but to discuss here this use a perpendicular, and then this body is a perpendicular. Okay, and this body is a use a tangent, this use a tangent. Okay, this is a delete here, but and select this body and going to this face, and this body is this and going to tangent and click OK, and this is a tangent here. Okay, this is a okay, this relation is a tangent here. Okay, and this perfect okay, okay, but this relation is a user this and again select this body and use this. Okay, okay, but use this is a perfect and going to this perpendicular means select this and select this body and going to this concentric, but concentric is discussed here next lecture, but discuss here a perpendicular. This body is perpendicular and this click here. Okay, this body is a perpendicular here, this body, and okay, this is a both is perfect and okay, this is a delete here, and next next part is this delete here. Okay, okay, and again select going to insert component and okay, and this use a okay, this use this select this two part. Okay, okay, and again select use this perpendicular and tangent is a learner, and this body is this. At first this is some rotate this body. Okay, this body is not rotate because at first select this is a floating mode, click here, and this is this, and this at first select this rotate here. Okay, and at first going to this mate, and mate is this is click here and select this and going to this face. Okay, this is a concentric. Concentric means this is a both center is same, but this relation is a perfect relation, and to discuss here both relation is a linear. This is a tangent and this is a perpendicular. Going to this tangent, this relation is a tangent here. This is a body is a tangent, or any this line is a okay, this is a tangent here, and going to this perpendicular, and this is a perpendicular this. Okay, this line is a perpendicular, and parallel is also this is a parallel, and perpendicular is this, tangent is this, and but concentric relation is this. Okay, all is a perfect, and okay, okay, and this is this, and again select this relation, and this body is this, and select this face and this and going to this relation, distance is a 5 is this, and 10 is a this. Okay, 20 is a this, and okay, 30 is a perfect. Okay, but this is a 20 is a better. Click OK, all is a perfect, but this is a inside, and this relation is a undo. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learned easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you.